Hello everyone. My name is Liz Bernal. I am 31 years old. I am studying the health administration. I live in Kota with my husband Hector, my two daughters Melanie and Sarai, and we also have a little dog named Lana. When I was a girl, I liked to study. My favorite subject was biology. Drawing and painting is easier for then division and multiplication. I like it to perform dance for school, benefits flag rings, or closer. I like it to out for what we all, my family, my parents, my grandparents, my sisters, my uncles, and cousins. My favorite television show was Okie Dokie, that went off Saturday morning on Channel National Channel. Since I was a child, I used to listen to vallenatos, and now it is my favorite music. I like to eat pizza and ice cream. We all still like them. The Christmas and New Year's holidays in my house were very nice. Our family got together to make the food, and we dance and play like with my cousins. When I was a girl, I wanted to be older. Now I want to be a girl and live without worrying. Thank you for the attention.